Hey guys, welcome back to Fractalverse. I'm Himanshu and this is my new Raymart scene named The Factory because it looks like a manufacturing plant. What makes this scene so stand out is its natural looking point lights, real time shadows, and as always, an infinite procedurally generated world on demand. If you like to explore it yourself, the project link is in the description. Make sure to have a look at it and let's dive in and discover this world together. Now let's start by navigating and looking around in our factory. In order to look around, you need to click on the screen and move your mouse. And you can see that I am able to look around in different directions in the factory. And if you want to move forward or backward, you can use up and down arrow keys respectively. And as you can see that I'm able to move forward using the up arrow key and backwards by using the down arrow key. Now you should also notice that the factory is infinite, so you can move in any direction freely, no bounds. One thing to note is these shadows which are forming by the lights above, and you can see them all over the ground and in the space as well. Now let's move ahead and see what are the settings that we can tweak in order to get a more interesting scene. To open the settings, you can click on this gear option. Once you click on this, you will see a bunch of controls over here. Let's start by tweaking the light color. Let's make it bluish. And yeah, so you can see that the light has turned bluish or greenish, whatever. And it looks nice. The next thing is autopilot speed. That would be more obvious once I introduce you with the autopilot mode. This max remarch option is the distance up till which you want to render. So if you decrease it, it would decrease the rendering distance, and so it kind of blurry appearance gives a kind of blurry appearance. And if you increase it, it would increase the distance up till which it is rendering. The other three options, which are cell dimension X, Y, and Z, these are the distances between the cubes. So if you increase them, you will see that the distance between the cubes is increasing, and yeah. Then the next option is the infinite lights option, which would be more obvious once I turn it on. So you can see that we have more than one light in the scene. Initially we had a single light in the scene. So if I switch it off, you would see that lights are off, only a single light is there, and if you turn it on, you will see that more than one light is there in the scene. So this was all about the controls and settings of the project. Then the next option is the autopilot mode, in which the you need not to use the arrow keys in order to move forward and backward. You just need to steer, and the camera would move automatically in the forward direction. So I'm able to move freely in the forward direction. I just need to steer with my mouse. The next option is the download button. If you like your creation and you want to download it and keep it as the wallpaper of your PC or phone, you can download it from here, and you will see that yeah, I can find the canvas image which has been downloaded. Let's end the video here, and thanks for sticking around till the end. Creating these shaders and videos takes a lot of effort and programming. So if you enjoyed it, do consider subscribing to the channel, and if you have any questions or feedback, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll make sure to answer them.